Precision matters when crafting furniture, cabinets, and fine wood projects that demand strength, durability, and flawless finishing. Best Moisture Meter for woodworking helps you prevent warping, cracking, and costly mistakes by ensuring every board is perfectly balanced before cutting an assembly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. General Invasive Moisture Meter. The General Invasive Moisture Meter is a reliable and user-friendly tool designed for woodworkers, contractors, and home inspectors who need accurate moisture readings without damaging surfaces. Its pinless sensing technology makes it especially suitable for finished furniture, hardwood flooring, and delicate woodworking projects where preserving appearance is essential. With dedicated modes for drywall, masonry, softwood, and hardwood, this meter offers impressive versatility, allowing users to switch between materials quickly and confidently. The large 2-inch backlit LCD display ensures clear visibility in both bright and low-light conditions, while the 3-color LED bar graph and audible alert provide instant feedback on moisture levels. This combination makes it easy to interpret readings even for beginners. One of the standout features is its deep scanning capability, which measures moisture up to 3/4 inch beneath the surface. This helps detect hidden dampness that could later cause warping, cracking, or mold growth. The wide measurement range, up to 53% for softwood and 35% for hardwood, ensures accurate assessment across various wood types. The ergonomic handle enhances comfort during extended use, making it practical for larger projects or professional inspections.
Number 2. Wagner Lumber Moisture Meter. The Wagner Lumber Moisture Meter is widely recognized for its precision and professional-grade performance, making it a top choice for serious woodworkers and craftsmen. Designed with advanced IntelliSense technology, this pinless meter measures moisture deep within the wood rather than just on the surface. This ensures more reliable readings, even when temperature changes or surface conditions might affect other devices. Its non-damaging sensor preserves the integrity of fine lumber, furniture components, and finished boards, making it ideal for high-end woodworking projects. A major advantage of this meter is its dual depth measurement capability, allowing users to choose between 1/4 inch and 3/4 inch scanning depths. This flexibility makes it suitable for thin boards, thick slabs, and layered materials. The on-demand calibration feature is another highlight, enabling users to maintain accuracy without sending the unit back for servicing. This saves time and ensures consistent performance over long-term use. The Wagner meter also includes a relative measurement mode, which is especially useful for engineered wood, drywall, and non-solid materials. This expands its functionality beyond traditional woodworking into renovation and inspection work. The clear digital display presents readings in an easy-to-understand format, helping users make quick decisions during milling, drying, or construction.
Number 3. RDINSCOS Concrete Moisture Meter. The RDINSCOS Concrete Moisture Meter offers a versatile 2-in-1 design that combines pin-type and pinless measurement methods in one compact device. This dual functionality makes it highly adaptable for woodworkers, builders, and home inspectors who work with a wide range of materials. The detachable pin probe allows for precise internal moisture readings in lumber and solid wood, while the rear-mounted pinless sensor enables non-invasive scanning of walls, floors, and finished surfaces. This flexibility is especially valuable for users who want one tool for multiple applications. The pinless mode is ideal for quickly scanning large areas without leaving marks, making it suitable for drywall, plaster, and concrete. Meanwhile, the pin probe provides deeper, more accurate measurements when detailed wood analysis is required. This combination ensures dependable results across different environments and project types. The RDINSCOS meter is also designed for early moisture detection, helping users identify leaks, flooding damage, or humidity-related issues before they become costly problems. Its responsive sensor system delivers fast readings, allowing for efficient inspections and workflow.
Number 4. Lignomat Maintenance Moisture Meter. The Lignomat Maintenance Moisture Meter is engineered for woodworkers who require precise, species-specific moisture measurements. With a wide measuring range from 6% to 45%, this device is suitable for everything from kiln-dried lumber to firewood and freshly cut timber. Its built-in wood group settings ensure accurate readings for softwoods, hardwoods, veneers, and panel products, reducing guesswork and improving project outcomes. One of its most practical features is the inclusion of both short and long pins. This allows users to measure surface moisture as well as deeper internal levels, making it ideal for flooring installations, cabinetry, and furniture construction. The pins are durable and designed to penetrate wood cleanly, providing consistent contact for reliable data. Automatic calibration further enhances accuracy by adjusting for different wood species without complicated manual input. The meter's ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use during extended sessions, while the clear digital display presents readings in a straightforward format. This is particularly helpful for professionals who need to make fast decisions during production or installation.
Number 5. Calculated Damp Moisture Meter. The Calculated Damp Moisture Meter is a practical and easy-to-use device designed for homeowners, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. Its sharp pin-based sensor provides direct internal moisture readings, making it especially effective for checking lumber, hardwood, and firewood before use. By categorizing moisture levels as low, medium, or high, it helps users quickly determine whether materials are suitable for construction, burning, or storage. One of its main strengths is its ability to detect hidden moisture in walls, concrete, and surfaces, helping prevent structural damage and mold growth. This makes it useful not only for woodworking, but also for home maintenance and inspection tasks. The large backlit screen ensures excellent visibility, even in dimly lit basements or workshops, while the hold function allows users to freeze readings for easier documentation. The sturdy, hand-friendly body adds to its usability, providing a solid grip when inserting pins into dense materials. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability, even with frequent use. The intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners while still offering enough accuracy for experienced users. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.